Now children, turn to page number 48. We can see effects of precipitation. So already I told you that precipitation is nothing but rainfall. We all know that India is an agriculture country, agrarian economy. That means our economy depends upon agriculture, and our agriculture depends upon rainfall because India is a monsoon country. So we will see that what are the effects of precipitation on any economy, especially of our country. Understood? The main source of potable water. Potable water, the water used for drinking. Potable, underline this word. Potable water, that means the water used for drinking. The main source of potable water available on the earth is precipitation. As excessive rainfall is destructive, so is the absence of rain. Floods may occur because of heavy rainfall, causing loss of life and property. If precipitation does not take place, then condition of drought arise. There is a shortfall of food and food may have to be imported. Farmers' condition becomes grave. A country's economy gets affected. So we all know about this condition when there is no rainfall, when the drought like situation arises, and it is very difficult for the farmer to do agriculture activities. So as I told you that our country depends upon precipitation or rainfall or monsoon. So it is very difficult to predict that a particular year we will have good rainfall. So because maximum agriculture depends upon rainfall. But now with the help of irrigation, we are able to do agriculture throughout the year. So with the help of science and technology, we can overcome this crisis. But if precipitation or a normal rainfall is very boon for any country like Asian countries, especially that depends upon agriculture. Economy of an agrarian country like India is dependent on agriculture. Agriculture in India to a large extent is dependent on monsoon. Just now I told you. Hence, the rainfall in India is important to the whole country. A good rainfall at the right time increases crop production, while ultimately rain can cause damage to crops. The rainfall in India is quite erratic, that means very irregular. So it is very irregular, it is very pathetic condition for the farmers as well as people who depends upon this agriculture sector or agriculture activities. So if the rainfall is erratic, then it directly it is very going to affect our economy, because maximum we can say money comes from revenue comes from agriculture sector. So with the help of irrigation, we can overcome this crisis. Now see the third paragraph. Visibility reduces because of highly dense fog. It affects the means of transportation like roads, railways, waterways and airways. Accidents may take place in such conditions. Trains, flights and other transport services may have to be cancelled. Frost is harmful to crops and cause accident if spread on the road. Fog and dew damage some crops by spreading diseases, while it may be beneficial to some crops. So children, we all know that due to heavy fog, the transportation like road, railway, waterways and airways, it is also going to affect, and we all know that some trains and flight, they are delayed due to heavy fog in the northern area of our country. So it is very common feature during winter season. Visibility totally reduces due to highly dense fog. And also fog and dew damage some crops by spreading diseases. So it is also another type of, we can say, it does damage to standing crops. Understood? So it is also harmful for the crops and causes spreading diseases, some type of disease which is spread through this fog and dew like condition. So, but on the other hand, some crops are also getting benefit from fog and dew. So, likewise, if we are depending upon all these activities from rainfall, so naturally these are natural disaster, we can say. So we cannot predict all these things. So we have to be present. We have to take proper precaution during this type of condition. Now children, we will see acid rain. You must have studied in your science about acid rain. Because of air pollution in industrial areas, various gases get mixed in air. Different acids are created when the water vapor in the air reacts chemically with these gases, such as nitric acid, sulfuric acid, etc. So children, acid rain because of air pollution. We know that today the world is facing, or especially the metropolitan cities, they are facing this maximum percentage of air pollution. And due to industrial activities, due to vehicle emission of vehicle, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, we already know that these are the condition which is there for the which is the main cause of air pollution. So acid rain is due to this air pollution. So different acids created when water vapor in the air reacts chemically with these gases. So we all know that gases, it is going to mix up in the atmosphere, and when water vapor is there, so it is again the air reacts chemically with these gases. And such which gases? Example, nitric acid, sulfuric acid. So all with the help of this acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid rain is there, which is again going to harm so many things above the earth's surface. Especially, children, I can give you example. Even our monuments, heritage monuments like Taj Mahal, due to air pollution and acid rain, it is turning into yellowish color, and so many crops also are damaged due to acid rain. Different type of diseases also there, skin diseases especially. So, see the last paragraph. Precipitation of water with dissolved acids reach the ground. Such rainfall is called acid rain. These rain are harmful to living organisms. We all know that this is very harmful, as well as the non-living objects. To non-living objects, I gave you example of Taj Mahal. So, children, precipitation, we can say precipitation is very important for living organism above the earth's surface. So, because it is the water which gives life to human beings. Understood? So with this, our chapter is complete. I hope you have understood well. Please read and again read your chapter and try to understand, and whatever you are having any doubt will clear in your live session. Understood? Make a list whatever you have not understood, and you can ask me in your live session, which will be there on Tuesday. Understood? So you read about rain gauge, you studied about different type of rainfalls, that is orographic, convectional and cyclonic rainfall. We also studied about snow, hails, precipitation, everything. So children, please read this lesson again and again and try to understand all these concepts. Thank you.